Hey there, this is Charlene Davis coming to you today, and let's talk about getting prepared for 2019. There's a lot of people who want to get started in working at home, online, earning more money, and they certainly don't know what to do. So I want to talk about one of the best business opportunities that you can get started in 2019. You can start working at it now to really catapult yourself and get the year started off right. So let's talk about that business for a little bit. First of all, a little bit about me. I live in the state of Wisconsin with my family, my husband and my two daughters. And I have been working online for about a year and a half, maybe a little longer. Struggled for quite some time until I discovered this business 4 or 5 months ago. And it was the first time that I actually received any type of training to learn exactly what I needed to do every single day to earn an income. And I like this business because it's very simple. So a new online digital marketer can learn this business very easily if you can follow some directions and complete a few simple tasks every day. And seasoned online marketers really like this program as well because it can generate some income quickly for them, or produce some income to maybe offset some of the expenses in some of the other businesses that they run. So real quickly, I'm going to show you today a little bit about the business and how it can help you in 2019. So the business I'm talking about is $25 one-up. Couple of reasons that I really like this program is, number one, it's instant pay. You don't need to wait for your commissions. They're direct to your PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, Stripe. However you want to get paid, you can get paid in this program. 100% commissions directly to you. I've worked in other programs where you get paid once a week or once a month, maybe on the 15th of the month, things like that. There is no waiting here. It's 100% commission. So if I have a $125 sale, I just earned $125. So that is amazing to be able to earn that and earn it instantly. One thing that I really talk about is cash flow. So if you run your household like a business, in any business, you want to be generating cash flow on a daily basis or a weekly basis, but more often. When you work a 9 to 5, you have cash flow maybe every 2 weeks. Some people only get paid once a month, and you're exchanging time for money. Now what you want to do is get your cash flow up. Run your household like a business. So if you're constantly interjecting cash, you will be able to consistently have extra money, pay down some of your debts, but you'll have cash flow coming in every couple of days, which just keeps the business running a little bit smoother. So I ran a traditional business for a long time, and cash flow is very important. So you think about this as well, because it's 100% commissions instant to you. You can keep your cash flow up on a daily basis. Many people get paid every single day in this business, okay? So the other thing that I really like about this business, besides that it's instant pay and it's 100% commission, is that it's really a business in a box. It's very simple for a new person to get started. It includes everything that you need. And the first thing is when you have a lead or somebody that you're talking to, you want to be able to get them in your funnel. And your funnel is simply something that gives them a lead capture page. That's the first part of a funnel, where they can put in their email address, their name, and in exchange for that information, we're going to show them how the program works. So this is a lead capture page, and we give this all to you. So that person's going to fill in their name, email address, phone number. They're going to click on show the video. And then it's going to take them to a page like this. So this would be page 2 of their funnel. So it's a lead capture page to capture their information, and then it's going to show them the information right here, okay? And then at the end of the funnel, if they decide they want to join or you want to join, you simply click on this and it takes you into the startup information, okay? So that is essentially a funnel. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 different funnels. They're building a new one right now, so they're always adding information. Okay, so that's the funnel. Once somebody comes into your funnel, you've captured their name and email address. Not everybody gets started right away. So the other thing that this program does for you is it creates a contacts area. And in your contacts, it will also have an autoresponder. So it will send out daily emails to that person to follow up with them, because not everybody gets started right away. The other thing is, if you're a little bit more of an advanced marketer, you can integrate your Aweber or GetResponse. So that way you can blast them through your Aweber or GetResponse in addition to the emails that the system is going to be sending out for you. But if you are brand new and you don't have an autoresponder, this is perfect for you because it's already taken care of. You don't have to worry about learning yet another thing, and you can add that on down the road, okay? So it has a contacts area, your autoresponder. You can also view your contacts in here. So if you want to reach out to someone individually, you can, or you can blast them with an email. I prefer to blast through my Aweber, but if you're new and you don't have that, you can blast emails through the back office here. There's a few limitations. That's why I prefer to do my Aweber. But again, if you're brand new and you know, this is a really great alternative, and it's not anything that you have to pay additional for. Okay, so we talked about you have your funnel, your lead capture page, your contacts, your autoresponder, and we do have some additional resources because so many people are coming into this business new. You can buy traffic here if you prefer. You want to do some paid traffic. My team really focuses on free traffic and turning our Facebooks into ATMs, and that is a strategy that we can teach you as well. So please know that if you come in at least the platinum level, you will receive our team blueprint, which gives you daily step-by-step instructions on what to do to be successful in this business, okay? So we teach a free method. As you move on, you can scale up and you can certainly add some paid traffic down the road. We have an area with Facebook groups. So a lot of people, when they're first getting started, they don't know how to find Facebook groups to be able to market and promote their businesses in. We list several hundred of them right here for you. All you have to do is click on it and join the group. That's it. We can't make it any easier than that whatsoever. Okay. Hundreds of them. We do recommend that you only join 10 to 12 per day. Otherwise, Facebook is going to block you. So you need to really be careful about that. Back to resources. You can set up what we call a sizzle call, which is like an automated phone call service. So there's an option to do that. We talk about a texting platform. You can order and mail postcards, so you can take this business offline as well. And let's talk a little bit about how it works to be able to get started in the program. So we have, let's see, different levels in which you can come in to this program. So there's something for every budget. If you're brand new, and don't have a lot of capital, we just recommend that you just get started. Just get started doing something. So it's not a huge investment. Everybody comes in and pays a $10 hosting fee. Then you go to the first level, which is a gold membership. And that's the basic level, which is $25. So at that level, you'd be $35 all in. That includes the hosting fee. With that, you will get all the pre-written ads. You'll get some training. With that, let me go here to the back office for gold. So pre-written ads, ad copy, cheat sheets, how to do Facebook groups, 50 ways to promote ideas, and mindset training. That comes with your gold package, along with a whole training series on how to use the back office, which is very valuable. Okay, let's go on to the next area. So gold, $25. Platinum is where I told you that you can get our team blueprint. This is something outside of the program. This is a structure that our team has developed that it works. It's working for us, and we're using the exact same techniques, the same scripts, and we're doing certain things every single day. This is our blueprint, is what our team calls it. That you get access to at the platinum level. This is a $100 level. So you'd pay your $10 hosting fee, your $25 gold level, and $100 at the platinum level. So now it'd be $135 all in. So it's important to note that each of these levels, if you come in at the gold, you pay $25. You can only earn $25 commissions. That's the highest commission you can earn. If you come in at the platinum level, which is $100, you can now earn $25 commissions plus $100 commissions. Okay? That starts to change your situation a little bit. If you even just have one or two of those a week, that could be $400 to $800 a month additional income for you. As you get better at it, those sales will become more frequent. We've recently added the diamond level, which is $250, and the enterprise level, which is $500. So this is really the two levels that really help you. If you're looking to quit your 9-to-5 or you have a ton of debt to pay off, these are the levels that you want to come in at, because you can certainly change your situation very, very quickly with earning these types of commissions. If you're at the enterprise level, you can earn all of these commissions, $25, $100, $250, and $500 commissions. So that is how the levels work. It's very, very simple. You will get access to our team Facebook group, the blueprint, as long as you're coming in at platinum level or above. You will get a free coaching session from me. I will evaluate, if you're new to this, I will help you evaluate your Facebook page. What kind of changes do we need to make? We can work on your first couple of ads together and make sure that those are really drawing traffic to you. So this is definitely the business for 2019, and you can really change your economy with this type of program where you're getting paid instantly 100% commissions. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the little bell. You can get notified as soon as I set up a new video. And comment below. You can click on the link, watch the video, get all the details. Comment below. I can answer your questions. And let's get you started today. Don't wait. We are here to help you. If you want to change your situation and your economy, we can help you do that. As long as you're willing to put in the effort. So connect with me on Facebook. My Facebook link is below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also call or text me. I'm open to that. My phone information will be down below as well. And I look forward to working with you in 2019. Have yourself a great afternoon. Take care.